She's put it in her mouth. Yeah, she's still trying to pick it up. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our first video in 2020. Happy New Year to you all. I know it's been a while, like a long while, but I am finally back. Since you guys haven't seen me, I've graduated college, thank God, and I moved back home. So one thing I really want to focus on this year is my post-grad diaries, and I'm going to bring you guys along as I navigate post-grad back home in my hometown, Miami, Florida, and it's going to be a blast. Yeah, I cannot wait to share this experience with you guys, so enjoy the ride. This is going to be a weekend in my life. I am recording on my Digi. I'm really trying to figure her out. This year I'm focusing on planning. If you want to see my morning routine, make sure you go to my Instagram and my TikTok to go ahead and see that video. I haven't talked in front of the camera in like 4 years. It's been a while. Okay guys, before I clean my room, I'm gonna go outside and run some errands. I actually have my list written out because you know I'm forgetting. I have to return to Fashion Nova Close to UPS. I have to print my resume, and then I have to deposit the money that I got for graduation into my account. And I think that's it I have to do outside. Alright y'all, but let's go ahead and hop on the road. Okay y'all, I'm in the car. Say hi to my dad. Daddy, say hi. Daddy, say hi. Hi. I know you guys can see that the quality has changed. There is something wrong with my DJI. My Digi, whatever you want to call it in camera. But something's wrong with it, with my SD card to be exact. And so we're going to go to Walmart and return the one that I got for it. And it needed a SanDisk Extreme Pro, not just a regular SD card, because I'm recording in 4K. My heatless curls came out so cute today. It came out very, very like flat for Christmas. So I've been like trying to perfect how to do them. And I think they came out pretty cute today. What do y'all think? Yeah.
I don't want to be in your vlog.
Why?
Your vlog, your background, whatever you want to call it.
This is me and my dad spending time together.
I'm walking.
Come.
The line near the lamp.
This is me and my dad. Daddy, say hello.
I'm not saying hello. Go.
He loves me, guys. I promise. He's just acting out right now. Ooh, they look how good the sun look on us. Ooh. No, you're not feeling it? Okay. It's okay. Do you need my card?
So no, darling, it
Yeah,
goes back to
receipt.
your card automatically.
Okay, perfect.
You're not really reach.
Feel independent.
Then,
We go for Christmas.
like your vibes, bro. I like your vibes.
We like the-
You comfy?
What?
Okay, yeah, so I just left FedEx. I got my resumes printed out. I got about 5 copies. I was gonna get 10, but if I just need more, I'll just go ahead and print some more. Right now, we're on our way to Best Buy to go get this SD card, the correct SD card. I now know which one to get. We're almost there, about 2 minutes away. Catch you guys at Best Buy. That's cute. Daddy, I'm right next to you. Right next to you. Okay guys, we are officially in Best Buy. I am looking for this. She said past the Canon sign. Here's the Canon sign. He said to the right, to the right, to the right. I see tripods. I see SD card. I should tell him to walk with me. Oh, here they are. So we have to get this one.
I am an Extreme Plus.
Yeah, the ones at the bottom are Extreme Plus.
Yeah, but let's get this now.
All right. Thank you, Dad. Can I get a kiss?
No.
Let me see. Ow.
Ouch one.
And we are back in action. Yes. No shade to my Canon. No shade. I got this camera for a reason and I really want to use it. I'm okay with using my phone for that and then using my digi camera for my YouTube and then my camera for just pictures and just like cutesy, like, you know, just kind of catching the moment and catching the vibe. Right now I'm gonna clean. I'll show you guys me cleaning. It'll definitely be a what do you call it when it's It's like, it'll just be like, I won't be talking. It'll just be me cleaning with some music over it. Just enjoy the vibe. I'll show you how it looks actually, but it looks a hot ass mess. I kind of do want to eat before I start cleaning because I don't have any energy right now. I haven't eaten all morning. I know you guys are tired of me rambling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just shut up my mouth. Thank ya. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know the real. Just woke up from a nap. It is a lot later in the day. It is around 5:20. I'm going to clean. That food gave me the itis real bad. Let's see how long it takes us to clean. I just wanna wake up to the sun. Yes, ain't no one. $100,000 on the funds. Other blunts. I just wanna wake up like a glass. Only that. In the road. That's spinning. Windows in it. We got a big spinning. Big spinning. I'ma get back on my feet. Get me up in it. I'ma feel this in my dad. Like even in it. Young silly, young silly. Give me a minute. Sundown. Shine.
I need to know for my keys. I'm a brother, I'm straight from my trees. Watch how I come up, I'm on top of my shit like this. She say, Papi, is you mine? I said it's a bitch.
Mom, say hi. Y'all, it's now the next day. The light is good. It is Saturday and we are heading into Los Patos. Anything else that you needed? Brittany. Where are we at now? We're at my house. Your house? The mall? You gonna get wet if I go in the middle? Probably. Okay. So we're in Avatar Mall. We are going to Zara to return some clothes for my mom.
So you're gonna get back in total.
Hi. Yes.
Oh, we'll develop on this side. I'm just gonna put it down so that I could just develop quicker. I'll stay in the dark and won't get scratched.
So cute. Thank you so much. Hi. How are you? I'm Nevoy. Nice to meet you. What is this?
This is a Miu Miu pop-up just for the fragrance, and it's here until January 3rd.
I promise that I know you very well. Your eyes never lie, even if they tell. Sweet lullabies that come with the smell of a dozen roses. Flip it down a green hill. You living in a world that come with plan B. Cause plan A never relay a guarantee.
Nevoy, she's right. Ask her. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I lied.
You got a man, but he ain't quite made. The type of man that's trying to get you what you need. He wanna know what you are, what you been, what you going, what you think, what you saw just to be. Bitch, I got water on her like I'm fresh from Hawaii. Tatted bitch up like I'm Willie D. I'm Tennessee, but that chain on my neck is a T. No milk blink, bitch, I own the rock, not JC. You did. War ready like Tracy T. You did. Rest on red. Just might pull up on my swag.
Ready, set, action. Okay, guys, this is the finishing bowl. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a taste test. First bite. I'm gonna make sure I put a piece of everything on my fork. She's gonna put it in her mouth. Yeah, she's still trying to pick it up. Girl, you. Wait, I can't get out of the fork. 10 out of 10, y'all. Okay, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in my next episode. Bye. Good morning. It is January 4th. and we are headed to church today. It is 10:15. Our church is today 30 minutes away, so we just leave pretty soon. And I'm very excited. I have my outfit on. Let me show you my outfit. Very cute. This top is from Pretty Little Thing, and then these pants, I want to say it's Fashion Nova. I did my makeup today. I didn't put any blush on, but just like the only thing that I really like on my face is my blush. I'm trying to get into this look. I'm trying to do a little bit more calm looks for church. I gotta get used to this look. I am gonna re-curl my hair so that when I put my heatless curls in there a little bit more, they have a little bit more body. I just feel like they've been dropping gradually all weekend. I'm gonna try to vlog at church. I usually try to be in the moment, but I would try to vlog a little bit at church to show you guys just a new church that I'm going to. It was basically a weekend vlog. And
Children, kids service ready here again, just 3 to 11.
this is so
Enjoy the
cute.
service.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, thank you. Straight back. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, guys, we're headed in church.
How we look?
Real good.
Good morning. Hi.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Thank you too. All right, guys, we're heading in the sanctuary. Hi, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Happy New Year. Good morning. Good morning.
Pastor Tasha, you talked to me about that for a second.
Yes, so you guys pull me to the side all the time, or you may send me a text message or an email. Well, I don't see the department that I'm called to.
Okay, we're at the let out of church. We are on our way home. I'm so glad that we meal prepped yesterday. Today we could just chill and eat. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys really like this vlog, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and leave me a comment about the new content, the new camera, however it is. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye, babes.